Today, I will be showing you how to change your email address on homes.com. This is useful if you want to update your contact information or switch to a new email account. First, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the profile icon. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Account Settings. Once you're inside Account Settings, click on Login and Security. Here, you will see your current email address along with an update button next to it. Click the update button, then enter your username when prompted. After that, click Change to continue. Next, check your new email address for the verification code that was sent to you. Enter the verification code, then click Verify to confirm the change. And that is how you change your email address on homes.com. Thank you for watching.